Alright, y'all, I got the sea moss, I got the Irish moss. Alright, I'm about to open it up. But before we can make sea moss smoothies and stuff like that, we gotta make the gel first. So that's rule number one. You ain't gonna get started on the first day. You gotta make the Irish moss gel. Cause right now, this is the form it's in right now, but we need it in a gel type of form. So we can put it in smoothies, you know, with fruits, almond milk. Woo! Smells like the sea. As y'all know, this sea moss comes from the sea. That's why it's called sea moss. You know, it's found underwater. You know what I'm saying? So, woo! Smells like the sea, bruh. So, you know, since it's from the sea, you know it's really salty. You know it's really salty, bruh. It's been underwater the whole time. So, yeah, first you want to get you like a little container. Something you could put it in, because you're gonna put the Irish moss in a container. You know what I'm saying? Let me take it out the bag real quick. Show y'all, man. Ooh. As y'all can see, this is it in its true form. In its true form. That's Irish moss, man. Beautiful. This is rainbow sea moss. You know what I'm saying? That's why you got some purple, you got some brown, you know what I'm saying, wildcrafted. You could tell it's real. I could smell the salt on it. Woo. Yeah, man, it smells like the sea, but this is it. You know, get you a little container that you could put it in, because you're gonna sit it overnight. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all. Alright, y'all, I got my little container. I got the Irish moss in there. You know, look over the Irish moss. Make sure there's no plastic, cause you know it's been delivered. I got this online. Shout out to www.mynaturalroots.org. Shout out to Zaylock, man. Got me right with the Irish moss. You see there's plastic on there, cause it was shipped from Africa. So you just wanna, you know, just look over it, make sure it's all clean and stuff like that. I'm about to fill it up with water. All right, y'all, we back. As y'all can see, I got the Irish moss in the water. Just, ooh, look how pretty it look, man. Look how pretty it look. You got some pink with some brown. This is a rainbow for real. But yeah, as y'all can see, I got it soaking in the water. You know what I'm saying? I also got some lime. You know, you could just drop in the water. If you want to get rid of that salt taste, because it's called sea moss, so you know it came from the sea. You know, if you want to get rid of that salty taste, you know what I'm saying? Just put some lime in there. Drop some lime in there. Because we go sit this out for like between 12 hours to 24 hours. You know, you go sit it out. So you're just going to let it soak into the water. It's going to soak up all the water. And then the lime is also going to cleanse it as well. You know, clean all the salt and stuff off. So you want it to soak in the water for about 12 to 24 hours. So I'm going to see y'all tomorrow, the next day. You feel me? But let's get it. Just let it soak in there. And then it's easy, man. 1, 2, 3. See y'all tomorrow. Alright. What's up, y'all? We back. This is the next day. We got the Irish moss. As you can see, it grew in size because it's been sitting in the water for so long. The moss starts to soak up the water a little bit. So as you can see, this is how it's looking right now. You feel me? The rainbow sea moss from Tanzania. You know, beautiful, man. You see the pink with some brown. You know, I got the lime in there to switch up the flavor a little bit. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but that's what I like to do. You don't have to put the lime. So, hey, let's get straight to it. Now we gonna take it to the blender. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I got the sea moss, I got the Irish moss, and this is what it looks like without the water. You feel me? This is what it looks like, y'all. I'm trying to show y'all, but the camera, you feel me? Yeah. That's the Irish moss, man. It's true form. You know what I'm saying? Now you probably just want to, you know, rinse it out a little bit when you take the water out. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Just like a little rinse, just to wash some of the other shit off. You just want to rinse it out a little bit before you put it in the blender. Oh my God, look at that. That's beautiful. Look how pretty that is. Get your Irish moss, man. Get your Irish moss. Look at that. So yeah, you probably just want to rinse it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's about it. Just rinse it, you know what I'm saying? Put it all in the blender. Cause we're gonna make some Irish moss gel. So we're trying to get that gel form. Let's get it. All right, you go blend it up. You see, I'm going real slow. All right. I think that's enough water. Let me look at it. See, that's a gel type of form. That's a gel type of form you want. Let me put a little more in there. Let's put a little more in there. Look how beautiful that is. Put a little more in there, okay. A little more. See how it's gonna blend up. Let me see. Yeah, you just wanna put the gel in there. You know, oh, I'm going too fast. Nice and slow. I need everything. Hold on. Whoa. Hold on, let me put the phone down. Yeah, you just want to pour your Irish moss in there. Just get it in the container. Fast or slow. Yeah, I'm getting all of that. You see that gel-like form? That's what you want. That's what you want, ladies and gentlemen. Get all of that in there. Yeah, we not wasting nothing over here, family. We not wasting nothing. So we getting everything on there. You feel me? I ain't know it was this much. Look how much I got. Yo, this gonna last me a couple months, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Thank the ancestors. I give thanks. I'm very fortunate, bruh. I'm very fortunate. This like, bruh, y'all gotta know how beneficial this is, bruh. Do research. I ain't gonna lie. So much benefit. I'm so excited because I ain't had none in a while. It's been a couple months for me, so I'm gonna get back on my moss shit. You feel me? All right, the container is full. You know, I told y'all I wasn't wasting nothing. I'm gonna just see how I'm gonna close this thing. I gotta pour some back. Keep everything neat. All right, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all with the smoothies. All right, y'all, we back. You know, I got the gel ready. And I'm gonna put it in the blender. Make sure you get your fruits ready, your vegetables ready, whatever you go use. I'm gonna use some kiwi, strawberry, banana. All type of stuff, man. All type of good. Put like a good amount, a good 2 spoons. Put 1 spoon in. Yeah, I'm putting 2 cause I want a lot, so 2 spoons. Alright, now you need milk. Make sure you got some like almond milk or coconut milk. You gotta stay away from cow milk. You know what I'm saying?
Just some respect, bro.
Cow milk, that's fake milk. That's nasty milk. Get you some coconut milk or some almond milk. Whatever you can get your hands on.
Right.
Pour some in there.
Almond is really good.
Yeah, it is good. It's really healthy. I don't know if I got enough milk, but you ain't gonna put too much. Yeah. So now you got the banana. Put the bananas in there. Put some of that. Now I got some blueberry. I'm gonna put them in there too. Blueberries. Feel me? And then I'm gonna put some strawberries in there too. Gotta have the strawberries. I got some kiwi. Kiwi actually good. It's my first time trying it. That junk butt. Put some of that in there. I know I got a lot of stuff going on right now, but you gotta bear with me. That's how I like it. The more fruits, the better. You know what I'm gonna put a little more milk. I got a lot of stuff in there. You feel me? Ooh, coconut milk. All right, next. Y'all don't have to do what I do, cause this is what I like. But me, I'm gonna put some cinnamon in there. You know, organic cinnamon, just to give it a little flavor. Cause it is sea moss, so it come from the sea, so you want to give it a good taste. Put some cinnamon. Bust it open real quick. All right, not too much, but a good amount, whatever you like. I'll put some cinnamon in there. Ooh. There you go. That's a good amount. Put some cloves in there. A little bit of cloves in there. Keep it healthy. Pop it open real quick. Damn, how come these don't come already open, dog? Like, plug this. Pop this bad boy open. There you go. All right. Put a little bit of cloves in there, not too much, cause this is a rough taste. It's not like cinnamon. Put a little bit of cloves in there. Ooh. Okay, that's a good amount. That's what I like. All right. Now I want to put some honey. I like to put honey, but you don't have to. But I'm gonna put some honey, give it a sweeter taste, give it a nice taste. But this is organic honey. This that organic honey. It's real honey. It's not no fake honey, no plastic. You know, so yeah. Put a little bit in there. You feel me? Put a good amount. You gonna know when to stop. I'm gonna put a little more cause I like honey. I like real honey. Alright, I'm gonna put a little more in there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. That's enough, honey. Alright. Alright, I got all the ingredients in there. Now I'm gonna just blend it up. Where the cover at? Blend this bad boy up. Alright, we got blended up. Smells amazing. It looks amazing. Hold on. Ooh. Yeah, that's a smoothie right there. You see how it's moving? I mean, I put the right amount of milk. That's a smoothie / milk steak. Yo, it smells good. I'm about to do a taste test for y'all. So see y'all later. Bang! We back with the final product. The Irish moss, sea moss in a smoothie form. So I made the gel and then I made a smoothie with the gel. So I showed y'all how to make the gel and I showed y'all how to make the smoothie in one video. So, hey, leave a like if you made it this far, bro. I'll appreciate it. But here comes the sea moss. Just look at it. You can see all the blueberries, all the strawberries in there. All the beautifulness. Smells beautiful, dog. Smells amazing. The coconut milk is in there. Not the cow milk. Not the cow milk. The coconut milk is in there. Taste test, y'all. Taste test. It's my first time trying this in like 3 months. That bit decent. Woo! That bit decent. I definitely taste the fruits. Yeah, the honey's in there. Yeah, that'd be decent. That'd be decent. I probably gotta switch up the fruits a little bit. Change it up. I'll probably put less fruits, you know, switch up the fruits. But that'd be decent. Yeah, switch up the fruits a little bit. You know what I'm saying? That'd be rocking though. That'd be decent. You know what I'm saying? It's a smoothie, so I'm gonna just take my time with it. You know? Yeah, y'all. This is gonna wrap up the video. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. Leave a like. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I taught you how to make sea moss. Make your sea moss today, man. www.mynaturalroots. I'm gonna put the link in the description. You can order it. You know, it came in like a week, quick as heck. So yeah, y'all. See y'all on the next.